Time for a special COVID segment, Good, Bad and Ugly. Here's the report.
Well, the good news is that the government has now said that one can get vaccinated at any time and any day of the week in the month of April. This is being done to increase vaccinations across the country. The central government has written to states and said that vaccination centers should be opened on a weekday, holiday, as well as on Sundays or any other gazetted holiday that may come in this particular month. This is to increase the speed of vaccinations and also to increase the timings, not ending vaccinations at 5. Private facilities have been told to vaccinate for 24 hours if possible. The bad news is that Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has said the situation is very serious and the possibility of a lockdown in Maharashtra is not being ruled out at this point. Maharashtra has reported another spike of cases of more than 8,000 cases in the last 24 hours. The Chief Minister has made a compassionate appeal to people to follow COVID-appropriate behavior and wear a mask even after getting 2 doses of the vaccines. Well, the ugly side to the COVID-19 pandemic remains the fact that people are negligent when it comes to following COVID-appropriate behavior. People are going to temples in crowds or going to religious ceremonies. Weddings are being performed in many places with a lot of guests that are being invited. In fact, even in cities like Delhi, where the metro department is having to fine people who are traveling within public transport without a mask. Remember, this kind of behavior is COVID behavior that is leading to a surge in COVID-19 cases across the country.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.